From the multidisciplinary team of Respiratory Care Indonesia, we bring you
Post-COVID-19 Exercise Prescription Workshop.
Thursday, June 16, 2022.
Here are several learning objectives you'll discover as you undergo the workshop.
To understand definition, pathophysiology, and complication of post-COVID.
To understand the benefit of aerobic exercise and how to prescribe it in the post-COVID population.
To understand the benefit of resistance exercise and how to prescribe it.
To dwell deeper on the benefit of respiratory training and how to prescribe it accurately.
And finally, to understand the timeline and rationale towards return to sports for athletes with post-COVID-19 conditions.
So, what are you waiting for?
Join our workshop and let's prescribe
prescribe
exercises.